Hi everybody, I believe this is number 36 or 37. Uh, I hope you're enjoying this series. Yeah, the bike is almost done. Uh, just gotta glue this piece in. It says to use screws, but I'm not gonna use screws. Not this time anyways. There you have it. As you can see, it's got quite a shine on it. See that? You see the Kawasaki symbol on there now? But yeah, I had to wait a little while for the 2K clear to cure. Well, it was cured yesterday, but I I figured I'd take an extra day just to make sure that it's all clear coated. You know, that it's all dry. Um, what, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook up these hoses, do the handbrake and the clutch and whatnot. Well, it's getting there. And then I have to put the gauges in the pods, the gauge clutch clusters. And I'll do that off of camera. Hooking up those lines. Yeah. Doing it on the camera, forget it. It's not. It's no fun. This is going to be a short video, but you can see that the clear is nicely done. You know, it's shining pretty good. But and then what I got to do is I got to drill a hole in here in in the hand grip and put a rod in there, and then drill an existing hole on the steering column itself. But I'll do that off camera. I don't want to do that on camera because it's very tedious. So, but that's it for now. I hope you enjoy it. Uh, like I said, become a member, and then you'll be in a draw. As soon as I got 10 members, I will do a draw for the 10 members thing. But here's the gas tank again, just to tell you, to show you. See inside, you could use screws, but I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. But anyways, that's it for now, and talk to you all later. Bye for now.